Have you ever wondered which remote desktop tool is better? Today, we're comparing Rustdesk and Meshcentral. Both tools allow you to access computers from anywhere. They help people work remotely or support others with tech issues, but they have different features and setups. Let's start with Rustdesk. This tool is open source and very user friendly. It offers a simple interface. You can connect to devices without much hassle. It also focuses on privacy, letting you host your own server if you want. This gives you more control over your data. Now, let's look at Mesh Central. This tool is also open source but has a slightly steeper learning curve. It offers more advanced features for tech savvy users. You can manage multiple devices and monitor them easily. Mesh Central is great for businesses that need to support many users at once. So, what are the key differences? Rustdesk is simpler and perfect for personal use. It's quick to set up and easy to navigate. Mesh Central, on the other hand, is more complex but offers powerful features for larger teams. When it comes to features, Rustdesk shines in its ease of use and privacy options. Mesh Central stands out with its device management tools and monitoring capabilities. In terms of pricing, both tools are free to use. However, if you choose to host your servers, there might be some costs involved, especially with Mesh Central's more advanced features. So, who should choose what? If you're looking for a straightforward tool for personal use, Rustdesk is your best bet. But if you need a robust solution for a team or business, Mesh Central is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech insights.